A very boring history of human civilization. Human history is generally described as the record of events involving people over long periods of time. It began when humans started living together in groups and continued as these groups developed systems for survival. The earliest humans lived by hunting animals and gathering plants. This method of living lasted for a long time and changed very slowly. Eventually, humans discovered agriculture. This meant that people began to grow crops and domesticate animals. As a result, they settled in one place instead of moving constantly. Settlements slowly turned into villages. Villages sometimes became towns. Towns later became cities. This process took many years and did not happen quickly. Early civilizations developed near rivers. This was because rivers provided water for drinking and farming. Some well-known river-based civilizations included those near the Nile River, the Tigris and Euphrates rivers, the Indus River, and the Yellow River. These civilizations built simple structures, practiced basic farming, and created early forms of government. Most daily activities were repetitive and focused on survival. People in ancient times invented writing mainly to keep records. These records included lists of goods, taxes, and laws. Writing systems were often complex and required training to learn. Only a small number of people were able to read and write. Most people worked as farmers and followed routines that changed very little over time. Governments formed to manage land and resources. Kings, rulers, or councils made decisions. Laws were written down and enforced. Punishments existed for those who broke rules. These systems were often rigid and slow to change. Administrative work involved counting, recording, and organizing information, which was time-consuming and unremarkable. Trade expanded as people exchanged goods with neighboring regions. Items such as grain, pottery, cloth, and tools were traded. Trade routes developed gradually. Travel was slow and uncomfortable. Most journeys were taken on foot or by animals. As a result,